Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by travel rewards and loyalty programs? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage credit card points in the simplest way possible using my 3-step formula called the EMU strategy. Earn, maximize, and utilize. Earn the most points possible, maximize the value of those points, and utilize your credit card's benefits. Quick little introduction. My name is Tyler DaCosta, and I help non-U.S. residents establish, build, and scale U.S. credit for the purpose of getting into the travel rewards game. First, let's focus on earning the most points possible. We really do this in 3 ways. The first way is by getting credit card sign-up bonuses. So this just means every time you sign up for a new credit card, most likely it's going to come with some sort of welcome offer. Okay, I just got the Amex Platinum and I received 150,000 Amex rewards after I spent $8,000 in the first 6 months. Okay, so this is a super easy way to get your foot in the door and get some pretty cool travel experiences. And the second way that we earn the most points possible is by utilizing the category spend bonuses. Each credit card comes with a few different categories where when you spend your card for purchases in that category, you are going to get an elevated amount of points. Look at the Amex Gold. It gives you 4 points for every dollar that you spend at restaurants worldwide and US supermarkets. Okay, so this is a great way to get extra points and get paid for doing the things or eating the things that you love. And the third way that we earn the most points possible is by using referral bonuses. Now, this just simply means I have a credit card. I want you to have that same credit card, so I can actually send you a referral link. You click on it, you sign up, you get approved. I get a little bit of a bonus in the form of points, and of course, you get the ability to earn the sign-up bonus on that card as well. If you're an influencer or you have a large following, this is an easy way to get an extreme amount of points and basically receive points in the form of passive income. All right, so now we have a shitload of points. What do we do with them? We first want to maximize the value of those points. And we do that manually, okay? We do this in a way where instead of doing what most people do is going into their travel portal with their associated bank with that card, and they go and they book travel, flights, hotels, whatever. But they're usually only getting 1 cent per point. But the advanced travel hacker way is by utilizing the transfer partners associated with that bank. This means that you can actually transfer your points from your bank's travel portal into another loyalty program account, whether that be an airline or a hotel. When you utilize this strategy correctly, you could be getting anywhere from 5, 10, 15, even 20 cents per point. Okay, this is wild. You can check your bank's travel portal and it will show you which transfer partners it is associated with. You will go into that loyalty program account, okay, you go to their website, create a free account, which will give you an account number, and then you can go into your bank's travel portal, input that number, and transfer the points over. It's almost instant, and you can use those points to book through that loyalty program's platform. All right, just as an example, okay, I just recently took a trip. I went to Budapest, Hungary, and I stayed at the Parisi Udvar Hyatt Hotel. Okay, this was a 5-star luxury hotel, and I looked it up on the Chase travel portal, and it would have cost me 40,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards for 1 night at this place. Okay, that's a fair amount of points. But because I transferred my points over to the Hyatt account and booked through the Hyatt account, I actually got the same night for only 17,000 points. Okay, this is crazy. That's a 50% redemption on my points. So very rarely do you ever want to book through your bank's travel portal. Always look for the better deal by transferring your points. And the last way that we make the best use of our travel rewards is by knowing our credit card's perks and benefits. There is a whole multitude of perks and benefits with every different credit card. Okay, I use the Amex Platinum again because it's a super travel card, and you get free lounge access in airports, you get travel insurance, you get an annual travel credit of $200 every year that I personally used with a fine hotels and resorts. Okay, that's something to get access to with the Amex Platinum. I got a $100 on-site credit when I visited this hotel. We got early check-in, late checkout, and of course, we got a free upgrade to a suite. So it's important not to just apply for any card randomly just because you are attracted to the sign-up bonus or whatever. You want to make sure that card makes sense for your lifestyle and it fits your budget. And of course, you're utilizing all of those perks and benefits. So that is the EMU strategy, okay? Earn, maximize, and utilize. That is the simplest way to explain the world of travel rewards and the basics of how to use them, how to earn them, how to increase their value, and of course, how to use the perks and benefits of your card so you can travel more and spend less. If you found value in this video, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and I'll see you on the next one.